Hi, this is Gib and I'm here to talk to you about this little project that I thought up. So I've written this application here that basically scrapes information for Amiga games from the Hall of Light and from the IGDB for various other platforms. There's a few different ways that the data can be displayed. As you can see here, it'll just list all games that are in the database. There's also this option that groups together games that were released on multiple platforms. And finally, there's this view that displays games that were released only on one platform, so basically platform exclusive games. All of the views work the same way in terms of filtering and sorting, which you can do on any of the columns you can see. There are a couple of issues with the data, unfortunately. In particular, the IGDB doesn't include region or language information for their entries, so I don't know if these games are actually in English or not, but I've assumed they are, which is probably not correct. The scraper also tries to grab any box art if it can for the entries, and each of the names can be clicked to follow the link towards its entry on the IGDB or onto the Hall of Light. So the main reason behind this project was this button just here. Now, clicking this will select a game from anywhere in the database at random, or you can choose your platform from this drop down here to filter it. The idea is that I'm going to try and play as many of these games as possible. After a quick scan through, you can see that there was an awful lot of dross in here, so a lot of them are going to be really bad. I'm going to be trying to play these games using the Steam version of Retro Roulette so that it will be compatible with my Steam Deck when it finally arrives. If any of the games turn out not to be compatible with the default cores, I can add more manually, or I can use an external emulator instead. If you're interested, the source code for this project is available on GitHub, and I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. So let's find out what the first game's going to be.